Wandering says, I like to use Bright Logo. Thanks for answering my question. You're welcome. Do you have any recommendations for getting citations indexed? Yeah, put them in your ID page. I just did training about that in the, well, it's in the mastermind already, but also in Syndication Academy. You want to put your citations into the G sheet of a G sheet, like from a drive stack, and embed that into, publish the G sheet, and then take the embed code and embed that into an ID page. That's one way to do it. Sending your citations to through indexers, I just mentioned, Omega indexers working really, really well. That can help. It's not really about getting them indexed, guys. It's about getting them crawled. Links don't need to be indexed for them to be crawled and recognized by Google. Just go check your search console, extract or export your external backlinks from Search Console, and you'll see there's a lot of links in there that Google has found and identified that may not be indexed. So citations, I don't really worry about them getting indexed so much as just getting them crawled, which is why I say I put them on the G sheet. And there's training again in Syndication Academy and also in the mastermind specifically for how to do that. But put them into the G sheet from your drive stack, or just create a G sheet if you don't have a drive stack. But why don't you have a drive stack is what I'm going to ask next. But then publish the G sheet and put that embed code into an ID page. And an ID page is very powerful. I talked about that on the Local Fury webinar as well. And I proved with proof how powerful they are for entity establishment, right? And validation. Seriously, that's what an ID page is. It's a unique resource identifier for the Googlebot to verify out entity information. So an ID page is it's specifically made for the Googlebot. You guys get that? So that's why if you put a G sheet, a published G sheet with all of your citations, hyperlinked to keywords in the G sheet, and you put that on an ID page, the Googlebot's going to come crawl the ID page as long as you've designated the ID page URL in the add ID field of your structured data. And the Googlebot's going to come crawl that page. So those citations will get crawled, right? Very powerful.